So hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. I got a really interesting comment on one of my videos, and this suggested that I will make a video responding directly to this comment. So let me show you the comment. It stated, my Dolce Gusto Mini Me coffee machine isn't heating up properly. I watch many of your videos and have been waiting to see if you'll make one about how to fix this issue. Blah blah blah. Long story short is, yeah, the coffee is not that hot, yeah, and what I will explain now applies to both Dolce Gusto and to Nespresso machines. So everything relies on the thermoblock. So this aluminium thing is actually a thermal block or a heating element, however you want to call it. Water comes through this. There is an internal resistance which gets hot and makes the water inside hot, and then goes and brews your coffee. Yeah, it's the same, more or less different shape, but the principle are the same. This thermoblock works with the microcontroller on the PCB board and decides on the actual temperature of the coffee. Now there are two different types of coffee machines. There are automatic coffee machines which have a thermistor right on the thermoblock, which decides if the coffee is hot enough, or you can manually adjust on the automatic machines the intensity or the hot or cold the coffee is. Yeah, you can manually adjust this interval. Or there are manual machines, yeah, not automatic, manual. So Dolce Gusto and Nespresso standard machine like Piccolo or Pixie from Nespresso or whatever, these are manual machines. So how they work? Initially, yeah, you know that it will blink, yeah, the power button, it will blink, and then when it stops blinking, then it's already hot enough. And usually on the manual machines this is 30 seconds. Yeah, 30 seconds. In 30 seconds it's already calculated that in 30 seconds the thermoblock should already have been making the water inside enough hot to make to brew a standard coffee. So no thermistor here, no intelligent electronics here, is just that. So in case you have this type of manual machines with coffee pods, simple, yeah, it's only a 30 second heating, and that's it. Usually why the coffee is not hot enough is due to limescale deposit inside of this. So try several times to make descaling with descaling solution. With this procedure, yeah, the limescale on the walls, internal walls of this thermoblock will be cleaned enough, and the temperature will be given to the water, and then you will have a more hot coffee. Yeah. In case of the automatical ones, yeah, usually is the thermistor which is out of spec, and you have to change it. Yeah. And in case you see there are two thermal resistors here, you will see this on all thermoblocks. These are not to determine how hot is the water. This is just a security precaution, just for the heater element to not go overboard with with the temperature. So they are standard at 105 degrees. At 105 degrees, they will cut power completely and it will shut off in order not to destroy the thermoblock. So this is the answer. I hope this video will help a lot of people who has this have this question. If you have any additional question, put them in the comment section below. And again, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.